Existence, possibility, projection. I would like to discuss with you about this relationship and the category of possible and existential projection. Existential projection is based on possibilities and choices that man makes during life. Existential projection is connected to the worldview, to the Weltanschauung, that determines shape and direction of existence. But the first question is, what is existence? Heidegger wrote, existence is the way to be of Dasein. Existence consists of possibilities, and these possibilities are not an appendage, an adjunct of existence. Dasein is not a simple presence that additionally possesses the requisite to be able to do something, but is primitively a possible being. Being is always what can be in the mode of possibility. So we can consider a particular category that is the category of possible. This category allows us using possibility in our mental life. It's different from impossibility that presupposes the presence of this category. The lack of the category of possible configures a particular psychopathological syndrome called adinatia. This is a neologism coined by Michele Torre, an Italian psychopathologist, an Italian psychiatrist, and this syndrome is characterized by possibility noting, anxiety, depersonalization, derealization, and lack of future. And it's interesting investigating this syndrome because it let us understand what is possibility, the category of possibility for us in our mental life. So there is a relationship between Dasein and projection. Dasein is thrown into the world, and as thrown, it is thrown in the way of being of the projection. Therefore, it projects its being in possibilities. Being there is thrown in the mode of projecting, and therefore it projects its being in possibilities. Being, then, is defined by the possibility of choices and anticipation of possibilities. These possibilities form the projection of each individual subject. The category of possible is then a central point at the conceptual basis on which is shaped being and its projection. So there is a relationship between possibility in the middle, being, and projection. There is another concept from Heidegger being and time, and that this is being ahead of itself. One of the things that constitutes the structure of being, of a possible being in the world, of being there, is being ahead of itself. So we can talk about the temporal dimension, the time dimension. Time is the backbone of existence. Heidegger traces back time to the structure of possibility and planning. Time is originally the Zukunft, to come to. The anticipation makes the existence authentically coming to, and the past arises from future. These are some quotes about the importance of future in existential analysis. The primary meaning of existence is future. This is from Eugenio Borgna, is an Italian psychopathologist, very famous in Italy as a phenomenological psychopathologist. The second one is from Henri Bergson. He's not a Dasein analyst, he's a spiritualist, but he wrote something interesting for us. He talks about a vital impulse, the élan vital. The vital impulse projects, therefore, existence forward toward future. And then Minkowski, a quote from Minkowski, the phenomenon of élan vital creates the future ahead of us. Only with and for the élan vital, becoming begins to have sense. So in our work of psychotherapists, I think it's very important to work on the future more than on the past, maybe also more than on the present. We have to work on past and present, but mainly to the future.